Okay, so this is the Loupedeck Live, and on the surface, it's awesome, like really awesome. Tactile knobs, beautiful touchscreen, premium build, check, check, and check. When I first got it, I was buzzing. I imagined this sleek little beast running my entire workflow, editing, streaming, switching apps, and even launching macros, like I'm in a sci-fi movie or something. And for a minute, it actually felt like that. But here's the thing nobody tells you until it's too late. The hardware, it's fire. The software, that's where the issues begin. I mean, how do you mess up something this capable with software this bad? It's like giving a Ferrari the brain of a shopping cart. The UI is clunky. It looks nice, but clunky. The pages randomly glitch and shut down. Macros stop working for no reason. Sometimes I'd make changes, hit save, and then nothing. Like the software just looked me in the eye and went, nah, not today. And backing up your profiles? Forget it. You'd have better luck sketching them out on a paper, and one crash and poof, all your work gone. One layout for editing, another for OBS, maybe even a productivity mode for emails and music. I can't even get Apple Music to work properly. But the more I tried to use it, the more I had to manage it. And that kills the whole point. I didn't buy this to become a part-time IT guy trying to figure out how to set a macro or how to make it work with a certain program. I bought it to create. But instead of speeding me up, it constantly dragged me down. Like I'd spend 10 minutes setting up a dial just to have it ghost me like an ex. Eventually, I just stopped using it. No drama, no rage quit. It just sits there on my desk, looks pretty. Now, I'm not saying it's totally useless. If you only use the supported plugins like Lightroom, Premiere, and the stuff that you can find in the marketplace, sure, you might survive. But if you want plug and play reliability, look somewhere else. Here's the part that baffles me. The software is so unintuitive, it feels like they designed it to just test your patience. Like you open it up and boom, here is 600 little icons for every app under the sun, but no real instructions. No setup wizard, no guided flow, just vibes and good luck, I guess. If you're using one of their pre-built profiles, cool, kinda works, kinda feels like a demo at best. But the second you try to go off script, you're basically enrolled in Loupedeck University with no syllabus. Want to make your own layout? Good luck. You'll be dragging random actions and macros onto blank squares that can't even retrieve the icon from the software that you just selected. It's right there. It's like they gave you a bucket of Lego pieces, no manual, no end goal, and told you, you'll figure out the Millennium Falcon eventually, right? They have tutorials on their YouTube channels, but they're so basic. They basically state the obvious. The rest, it's up to you to figure out. You have to get really creative to make the most out of this thing. Let's be real for a second. The potential of the Loupedeck Live is infinite. It's as good as your imagination. And you will need a really good imagination to figure out how to make this thing work the way you want it to work. I mean, the hardware has it all. You've got really solid feeling rotary knobs, an amazing touchscreen, and plenty of buttons to use. Heck, you could have 100 pages just for your DaVinci Resolve color grading. But the trick is trying to make it work the way you want. The Loupedeck Live could be one of the best tools in the market, period. The potential is insane. But unless they overhaul the software, and I mean top to bottom, rebuild it, it'll never reach that potential. So yeah, do I regret buying it? A little bit. But mostly I regret not waiting to see if they'd ever fix the software first. Anyways, that's my brutally honest take on the Loupedeck Live. No sugarcoating, no sponsor fluff, just a creator trying to find gear that actually works. Have you tried the Loupedeck Live? Am I being too harsh or not harsh enough? Drop a comment, let's rant and maybe figure something out together. And if you like honest takes like this one, hit that sub button. I test this stuff so you don't have to waste your money. Catch you in the next one. Peace.